Welcome to my channel. Sit back, relax and enjoy watching.
The underground river in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, is a natural wonder that draws visitors from all over the world. This 8.2-kilometer-long river is located in the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and one of the new 7 wonders of nature. The underground river is one of the longest navigable underground rivers in the world, and it flows beneath a spectacular limestone karst landscape. Visitors can take a boat tour through the river, which is lined with impressive rock formations, stalactites, and stalagmites. The river is also home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including several species of bats, birds, and reptiles. The boat ride through the underground river takes about 45 minutes to an hour, and visitors can marvel at the natural beauty of the river, while a guide provides information about the different rock formations and the ecosystem that thrives within the cave. The boat ride culminates in a large cavern known as the Cathedral, where visitors can see impressive rock formations that resemble religious icons, such as the Virgin Mary and the Holy Family. Aside from the boat tour, visitors can also explore the park's lush tropical rainforest, which is home to several endemic species of birds and mammals, including the Palawan hornbill and the Palawan bearcat. The park also features several hiking trails that lead to scenic viewpoints overlooking the sea and the surrounding karst landscape. The underground river and the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park are a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. With its impressive natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural heritage, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the Philippines' unique natural wonders and vibrant culture. Aside from being a natural wonder, the underground river in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, also has cultural significance. The river and the surrounding area have long been considered sacred by the indigenous Tagbanua people, who have lived in Palawan for thousands of years. The Tagbanua people believe that the river is inhabited by powerful spirits, and they have a deep respect for the natural environment that sustains their way of life. In recognition of the cultural and ecological significance of the underground river and the surrounding area, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park was established in 1999. The park is managed by the local government and the Tagbanua people, who work together to protect the natural environment and promote sustainable tourism. The underground river and the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park have received numerous accolades and awards for their beauty and conservation efforts. In addition to being a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature, the park has also been recognized as a model of sustainable tourism by the United Nations Environment Program. Visiting the underground river and the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park is a unique and unforgettable experience that allows visitors to appreciate the beauty of nature and the cultural richness of the Philippines. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or an adventure seeker, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a destination that should not be missed. The underground river in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, is also home to a rich biodiversity. The river and the surrounding park are home to over 800 species of plants, 165 species of birds, and 30 species of mammals, many of which are endemic to Palawan. Some of the unique animals found in the park include the Palawan flying fox, Palawan peacock pheasant, and Palawan tree shrew. The park is also home to several endangered species, such as the Palawan pangolin, Philippine crocodile, and the Philippine mouse deer. Conservation efforts in the park have been successful in protecting these species from extinction, and visitors can learn about these efforts while exploring the park. The underground river and the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park are not only important for their natural and cultural significance, but also for their contribution to the local economy. The park provides jobs for the local community and supports sustainable tourism, which helps to preserve the natural environment and the cultural heritage of the area. Visitors to the park can also support the local community by purchasing handmade crafts and products made by the Tagbanua people, such as woven baskets and traditional musical instruments. These purchases provide economic support for the local community and help to preserve the traditional arts and crafts of the Tagbanua people. In conclusion, the underground river in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, is a unique and fascinating destination that offers visitors an opportunity to experience the natural and cultural richness of the Philippines. The park's stunning natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and cultural significance make it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Palawan. With its commitment to sustainable tourism and community involvement, the park is also a model for conservation and ecotourism around the world.
Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to help my channel out.